Still working on our review. So today, get your packet out. We are going to be on page 11. Again, you should have probably already be there if you are just keeping it, the pages fold over. So today we're going to work on the problems together, unless you choose to work on them on your own and then check your work like a test review, that's fine too. But let's go ahead and get started. Number 1, which object weighs about a gram? Well, we know a gram doesn't weigh very much, right? A chair? A chair is kind of heavy. A paper clip? Probably. A bag of sugar or a box of crayons? Well, the paper clip is the smallest weight, and grams are not very much at all. So paper clip is our winner. All right, number 2, a book has 54 pages divided into 6 equal chapters. How many pages are in each chapter? It's telling us what to do. 54 divided by 6, because when you divide, it's going into equal groups. So what is your answer here? Knowing your facts. If you know 9 times 6 is 54, then 54 divided by 6 is 9. I'll say it again. If you know your multiplication facts, you know your division facts from fact families. Markeia is prepping for a car wash. She fills a green tub of water with 28 liters of soapy water. She fills a red tub with 9 liters of soapy water. How much more? There's our clue. How much more water is in the green tub than the red tub? What is how much more? What do those clue words tell us to do? Subtract. Very good. Solve it. You should have gotten, if I have 8 fingers, I can't take 9 away. Go next door, get 10 more. You should have gotten 19. Like on FSA, some of the problems are a little bit easier than others. They kind of balance each other out. But you still have to read each one carefully, circling and boxing. Which number rounds to 300 when round is to the nearest 100? So remember, when you round to the hundreds, you look at the tens. All right. 3 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit the floor. It stays up to at 200. Okay. When you round to the hundreds, you look at the tens. 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit the floor. It's staying. Rounding to the nearest 100, you look at the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit the floor. It's staying at 300 because the hundredths there is 3. And I'm going to try this one just to make sure I have the correct answer. Oh, round to the hundreds, you look at the tens. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Climb the vine. You're going up. So we got the right choice. Okay. Number 5. There are 36 girls who want to play baseball. If they need 9 players on each team, how many teams can they make? So we've got 36 girls and they need 9 players on each group. So what are we doing there? Yep, we are dividing our 36 girls into 9 players. And if you know your multiplication facts, if you know 9 times 4 is 36, then you know 36 divided by 9 is 4. Okay? All right, number 6. What is 54 rounded to the nearest 10? Well, when you round to the tens, you look at the ones. Very good. I've been saying this number a lot today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit the floor. So our 10 stays the same. How much would 4 children receive if they evenly. So my problem is 20 divided by 4. Okay, so you can use the array. If you got 4 children, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Arrays might work for you. They might not work for you. If they don't work for you, just solve it like that. Okay, 20 divided by 4. You should know 5 times 4 is 20. So you should have gotten A. This day is not too bad, huh? A pet store sells bags of dog food. Each bag weighs 7 kilograms. If you buy 3 bags, how many kilograms of dog food will you buy? So if I have 7 bags and each bag weighs 7 or weighs 3, excuse me, what am I going to do? I am going to multiply. And you should know 7 times 3. Remember, anything times 3 is a double plus it again. So 7 doubled is 14. And then you add it again. You should know 7 times 3 is 21. Some of you just know your facts. Some of you need to remember those strategies that we've taught you. All right, so I bubble in my 2 and I bubble in my 1. Number 9, what is the closest 10 to 49? That, you should know the answer to that. I shouldn't even have to go over that, right? What is it closer to? That's rounding. It's obviously closer to 50. That's rounding to the nearest 10. And we know 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 climb the vine, so the 9 would push it up to 50 anyways. And number 10, this one didn't take too long today. Ava has 49 apple slices to share equally. What does that tell you to do? Also, with 6 friends. If Ava also gets an equal number of apple slices, how many apple slices will each person get? Okay, so am I going to divide 49 by 6? No. If Ava also gets one. So it's really 6 friends plus Ava, right? So it would be 49 divided by 7, which is 7, because 7 times 7 is 49. This one was, I would say, pretty easy today, huh? Okay, your job now is day 11 and day 11 in the warm-up packet. You just have a couple problems today, but you do need that independent work to keep your mind sharp. Okay, so we did day 11 together. You are going to do day 11 in the warm-up packet and get it checked. And tomorrow we will work on day 12. Make sure you get your work checked.